Hello, this is a quick review of the Bosch 2.5 amp 5-inch orbital sander. This is corded, so not cordless, but I just needed something for a little bit of woodworking in my garage. It's quite powerful. I've been able to sand a lot with it. I don't do a ton of projects. I've been sanding really pine, kind of like this over here, for some shelves, as well as some signs that have been made. But pretty basic. What I like is that it does fit well in your hand and it's intuitive to use. You have the power button up front, easy to grab with your hand on it. And the favorite part is the dust collector. Actually works very well and collects a lot of dust. And you probably should wear a filter or a mask rather. You don't feel like you need it, but you probably can. You probably do because there's probably a lot of dust you can't see, but it does cut down on a lot. Of course, a standard pad here, Velcro pad that you undo with the sander down here. The dust filter just twists off, and I really like the blue case it comes with. It's pretty sturdy, and compact and easy to carry around. So overall, I really like it, and it works well.